Getting the disk is write protected error when trying to format your USB or open it? No worries, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it easily using command prompt. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button and type CMD, then hit Enter. In the command prompt, type disk part and press Enter. Next, type list disk to see all the drives connected to your PC. Here, you need to identify your USB drive. For example, my USB is 32 GB, but it shows 29 GB in the list, so I'll choose disk 1. Now type select disk 1 and press Enter. Then type attributes disk and hit Enter. Here you'll see that read-only state is set to yes. This is why you're getting the error. To fix this, simply type attributes disk clear readily and hit Enter. You'll see a message saying disk attributes cleared successfully. This means the problem is solved. Now try to format your USB and it should work perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.